So how to test cookies in a website before even talking about automated tests? Well, the first test case is disabling the cookies. Disable all the cookies and attempt to use the site's major functionality. See what happens. The second thing that you need to check is to corrupt the cookies. Manually edit the cookies in Notepad or directly in DevTools and change the parameters with some random values. You can also check the encryption of the cookie. Sensitive information like passwords, usernames should be encrypted before it sets to our computer. The fourth thing is testing the cookies on multiple browsers. This is how actually you can use Lambda tests for this purpose, for cross-browser testing of the cookies. You can check the deletion from your web application page. Check whether the cookie are deleted from your web app or not, and what will happen. You can also selectively reject cookies or access the cookie. You can try that. I mean, cookies written by one website should not be accessible by others. But anyways, as a cookie privacy policy, this will be one of the cases that we will automate. Make sure from your you need to check your design documents that no personal or sensitive data is stored in the cookie. Especially in Europe, this is a big deal. Another thing, you need to verify if cookies are persistent or not, according to your requirements, by checking the cookie type and the expiration dates in the cookie file or browser console. 10. You need to validate if an expiration date is set accordingly to the requirements. In some cases, it is vital to check if the cookie expiration date is updated by working with an application to refresh the session. For example, this can be checked in the browser console or in the cookie file itself. If some cookies are user-specific, it is important to ensure that they're deleted or simply ignored if another user walks into the application unless it's set differently in the specification. And lastly, you can check if the same cookie are acceptable in all environments. Issues could be caused by the use of this wildcard in the cookie path. They're called also super cookies. If this is a requirement to allow it, some access issue can be caused because of a different encryption keys.